Hello and welcome back. How are you today? Wemwega. My name is Rebecca Wanjiro, but you can call me the village girl any day, anytime. So thank you so much for being here and thank you so much for the support that you've shown so far. I am so grateful. I don't know what to say. Today I have yet another interesting video for you. Are you ready? Do you know what we call January in Kikuyu? No, it's not Mweri wa Bere, it's not Mweri wa Keri for February, it's not Mweri wa Gatato for March. I'm here to teach you the actual Kikuyu names for months. And some of these months have very funny names. Especially the third month. I mean, who came up with that one? The Gikuyus named their months based on the activities that were happening during that period. Before we start, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do it. Also turn on the notification bell and share with your friends because you don't want to miss anything on this channel. So let's get to it. January is known as Muga. Muga is also the name of a tree. February is known as Mugedo. Geda in Kikuyu means harvest. Perhaps February was the month of harvest. March has the funniest name of all, Kehu. If you're a Kikuyu, I'm sure you're also laughing because that is a funny name. If you're not a Kikuyu, Ihu means pregnancy. So Kehu means a big pregnancy. Pregnancy. Something else you should know about March is that it was the beginning of Njahe season. Njahe is black beans. Perhaps that's why it's called Kehu. Njahes are very important in our culture because we associate them with celebrations. For example, when someone gives birth or when someone gets circumcised, we always say Dage Korea Jahi. April, my birth month, is known as Mudato. That is so weird because Idato in Kikuyu means 3. You would think that March, because it's the third month, is called Mudato, but they just decided April is Mudato. So my birthday, or let me just say in Kikuyu, niĩ ndaciarirwo mweri 16 wa Mudato mwaka wa 1995. If you understood that, write my birthday in the comments and I'll tell you if that's correct. May is known as Mugiranjara. June, the month we are in right now, is known as Gathathanwa. Omothi nĩ mweri 14 wa Gathathanwa mwaka wa 2021. July is known as Gathano. Gathano, can you imagine that? Gathano. Ithano in Kikuyu means 5. July is the 7th month and yet it's called Gathano. August is known as Morianyoni. Nyoni is bird. B-I-R-D. And Moria means rot, something that rots. So I was wondering, do birds rot in August? September is known as Muga wa Keri. Remember I told you January is known as Muga, but September is known as Muga wa Keri. Keri means 2, so it's Muga number 2. October, here is another funny name. October is known as Mwaniathenge. Denge in Kikuyu means... Do you want to find out? Okay. Denge is billy goat. Kwania is bleating. So when we say mwania denge, it means it's something that makes the billy goats bleat. Like meh, meh, non-stop. Something else you should know about October is that it was the beginning of Mwere season. Mwere. Mwere na mogebe. Mwere is either sorghum or millet. I'm not sure. Sorghum and millet, mwere na mogebe, are also very important in our culture because we grind them and use them to make porridge. November is known as Kanywa Hogo. Kanywa Hogo. Hongo is hawk. When we were kids, in this other village called Iregi, we were taught to chase hongos or hawks in a funny way. Do you want to find out? Okay. It was hoy, hoy. That is how we were taught to chase hongos whenever they would come to grab chicks. Okay, I don't mean girls. I mean tosui chicks. And finally, December is known as Gatumu. Gatumu. And there you have it. I'm sure today you've learned something new. So make sure you share, like I said, and ask any questions in the comment, and I will get back to you. And as I said, if I don't know the answers, I will ask or I'll do research, and I believe that both of us will benefit from the answers. So thanks again for watching till the end. Subscribe and share. Till next time, Tigwa Wega.